Hi beauties, how are you doing? Hopefully you're good. It's another day with another video, but I hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's easy and quick tutorial. Hold on. Every day it's easy and simple and easy tutorial. But don't worry, welcome back. Today it's such an easy twist and I'll be taking you step by step from the beginning to the end of this video. If you're my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Agorim Tui, and if this is the kind of content you do love watching, kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because in this channel it's all about hair tutorial. There are two types of installation. You can decide to use this hair or you can decide to install this hair. The first method is crochet method and the second method is wrapping method, but in this video I decided to show you crochet method because I think that is an easy tutorial that you can achieve in very short time. So first of all, I part my hair. You may either decide to part big section or small depending on how long you want to keep your hairstyle. And then gel or hair wax, it's so important when it comes to braid because it will help you to get clean and neat sections. So after I part the first time, I apply some gel, then I repart again. So after I finish, I go ahead and create the base. And how I create the base, here you may decide to do three-way like box braid, or you may either decide to do twists from the roots. It's all up to you because you just want to do something very simple and something that can hold the hair. So I do box braid, like a box braid, or I can say box braid or cornrow, whatever. And then I do till the end of my hair, and then I move to other section. And for those who have been asking me, how can I see my back, how can I part clean like this way, darling, I have two mirrors, one in front and another one in the back. So in front mirrors helps me to see back, so I can see like everything I'm doing in my back through front mirror because I have small mirror in front and bigger mirror in the back. So through small mirror I can see in the back. So then I go ahead and I keep part and create the base first because this is the most hard. After you finish create the base, to crochet this hair is so easy. You can do this in less than 1 hour. So guys, this is how I hold my hair in different angles of my head. Sometimes I have to move my hands up of my head so that I can hold all the hair well and I can braid the hair without tagging unnecessary hair. So I keep repeat the same process till I make sure I braid my whole head. And this is the last section. As I said earlier, if you cannot do this three-way cornrows, just go ahead and do twist from the roots. That's also good. And finally, I'm done with parting, and this is how the sections looks like. This is the most hard part. After you finish this part, I'm telling you, the rest it's so easy. So let me go ahead and show you guys how I crocheted this hair. But first of all, I have to secure the sections together so that I'll not tag unnecessary section to the wrong section. So what you have to prepare is crochet needle, and I use this Piscali hair, only one pack, it's enough. I got this hair from Tanzania a long time ago. I bought it from local store supplier, and I think maybe now you can get in any hair supply or you can get it online. So first of all, I take one piece and this is how it looks like, and then I make sure I crochet and I pull it through. Another important thing I forgot to mention earlier is when you are doing or when you are creating the base, make sure you are creating loose base so that when you are crocheting this hair, You'll not feel pain and you'll not cause any tension on your scalp. So as you can see, I make loose best. That's why it's so easy for me to pull the hair through. So after I pull the hair through, I make sure I secure my natural hair in first, then I pull the hair a little bit, then I crochet the other side of the hair. So after I make sure all this is well secured, I pull my hair through. Why I crochet my hair in the loop before I pull the other side of the hair, it's because I find when I do that, it's so easy to crochet my hair without to show out. But once you crochet only the hair without pull your hair in, you'll find out it's so easy for your hair to show out. And guys, after I crochet, this is how the hair looks like. You can see it's so easy. And then let me do it again in the back so you can see clear. First pull the loop and then pull your section first, then crochet the remaining hair through just like so. And once you lock your hair in, you can pull either in the back or in the side, whatever you can do. You can put it in any section in any side you want. And then after that, go ahead and crochet the hair. When you are crocheting the hair, make sure your crochet needle passing through the twist so that your natural hair can pass in the middle. And make sure you cover your entire hair because you don't want to leave even a small piece of your hair out, because if you do that, you make this hairstyle looks old at a short time. So again, I crochet and I pull a little bit. I make sure my hair is well secured before I pull the other side or the ends of this twist. I secure well. I make sure I pull it not too tight, just make sure it's well secured, and then pass crochet needle in between and pull your hair through. I love to show you how I crochet the hair in different angles of my head, so if you are a beginner, it will be easier for you. You will know how to place your hands, how to hold the hair in which direction, and then you can get a good look. So let me show you different side how I hold the hair, and then I'll be back with the final look. installation. Let me go ahead and put on my makeup, then I'll come back with the final look. And guys, this is the final look for this tutorial, and I'm telling you, this hairstyle you can style in so many ways. You can style like this way, and this is how in the back the hair looks like. You can see you get some color in the hair in the end, and I'm telling you, this hair is so light as well. And yeah, you can start in so many ways. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.